Hello, my dear viewers, audiences, agents, students, and our well-wisher. I welcome you in our subsidiary organization of NSRIC, the NSRIC Immigration and Visa Consulting. This is Inamul Hussain. I will show you here today how to register in our system as an agent referred client. Here you see the registration button. Here, this registration button is for the client who are customers who are coming directly to our organization to get the migration services. This is the registration for the agents. That means our business partners. Globally, we have many business partners around the world who are associated with us to work with our potential customers, clients, and they are working as our business partner. The third one is register as a referred client. This is the registration who are coming through our business partner, meaning agent. So every business partner has their own agent ID. Now, if you click here, this is the portal sign up form. So you can first write down your name. Let's say my name is Inamul and then Hussein. And then you put the agent ID. Let's say agent ID. For example, my agent ID is AG000017. So you can put this one, this agent ID through which or through whom you are signing up in our system. And then you put the email address, your email address, not the agent email address. Let's say my email address I am putting. And then you put the, once you are done with the email address, you then put a strong password. So let me put a password and then reconfirm the password. And then this equation you need to solve to validate you are a human, you are not a machine. And this will be working in favor of you when you, in return, when you sign in our system. So it will safeguard your system, your login credential. So I am putting this. Now, if I register, if I click the register button, then it will take you to the registration. Now you see, you have a information where it says that you are successful and thank you very much. And then you need to go back to your email system to validate your email. Otherwise, it will not allow you to log in our system. Once you validate, then you will be able to log in. Now, if you have any question or any problem, you can directly write to us at support@nsricvisa.ca. This is our IT support center. In addition to that, you can also write to us info@nsricvisa.ca, or you can write to us at our business number +1 226 271 7206. This number has WhatsApp number, so you can also message us if you have any issue, any confusion. If you have any question, you can easily reach out to us. Thank you very much. Now let me go to the system for my Gmail, the one that I use. So you see it is already there. So if I go and check here, the email is telling me that you can click here to enable your portal. So I'm clicking here, then it came. So let me write down the email address that I use for the login system, and then password which I was using, I need to enter it here. And then you solve the equation to have a secure system. So now login. Once you complete this, now officially you are in our system as a client, but you are in communication with your agent. For example, I used my agent ID. That is the reason it is showing my name and my email address here, so that if you have any issue, any confusion, you can easily communicate with your agent. So this is your agent details. And this is your dashboard. Before even creating an application for any activity, before doing anything, I would highly recommend you to complete your profile. Because if you do not complete your profile, what will happen? When you create an application, you need to enter all the personal details. So let's say you are applying for only one application, then it is okay. But if you create multiple application, then it is not good that every time you go and put your personal information. That is the reason first time ever you put your details. First you choose a picture. I would say this is official good looking picture which will remain in your portal. Let's say this is the picture I am just showing here. So this is, let's say you are putting here, okay, and then crop it. This box, you readjust your picture so that it can crop from a good looking point of view. So you now set it here, and then you see my name and the email ID already came because I signed up. So now let's say country code. I'm in Canada. So you have Canadian number. So let's say my number is 226-271-7206. And then you have country. So you have a country here, Canada. You have a state here. Let's say your state is Ontario. And then you have, let's say, Ajax is your city. And then present address, let's say 20 Cameroon Street. And then you can put same thing, 20 Cameroon Street. And then occupation, let's say you are in electrical engineer. Let's say nationality Canadian. And then marital status, let's say you are single or married, whatever it is. And then if you are male, you sign up as male, or female, whatever applies to you. Let's say male. Religion, you can select what religion you have. If you don't want to put it, then you can put others. But when you apply for visa, you need to specify the religion. So the current password and new password, confirm password, this, if you wanted to change the password, then you need to put here new password and the old password to replace the previous. But for now, we don't need to make it. And then you update it. So now your personal information is already taken. Now, if you go and create application, the system will automatically take your all information. So with this, I wanted to stop here, and you can now follow this to get the registration as a referred client in our system. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day and stay safe. Bye.